Hi guys, this is Adamjewellery Private Limited, and here you can see that we are grinding silver jewelry for further process of filing and polishing. So first of all, we are taking this kind of ring which has been comes from the casting department, and now we are just grinding the screw and making the initial filing on the grinding machine. Here you can see that we are grinding the screw end side and then the lapping of the one side of this touring. These are all tourings. One of our client has given an order of making different designs of tourings. So this is the first stage of filing. We call it grinding. So here you can see that how we are doing it. We are using the lapping wheel here, which is lapped with the emery paper of 220 grit size. So we need to take care that every part of the ring we need to grind it to the smooth surface, so we can do the minimum process of filing on it. Instead of doing a complete filing on this grinded piece, we prefer to do all the grinding at the level of filing, so we can have a minimum involvement of filing on this process, because it is faster and better surface finishing. So you can see that here we had a lot of pieces of the same and simple different designs, so we have to grind all the pieces. These are the pieces need to be grind out, and here are some pieces that we already grinded. You can see the surface finishing of the grinding, so every piece is smooth, both sides and end points of this, and even the stone setting parts we need to grind it. So the filing person can do a minimum action on it to get a smooth and the better finishing with the minimum loss of metals. So every piece is completely filed here on the grinding stage, and the manual filing will be done with another person of the technicians of filing into the next table. Guys, if you have any queries, please let us know, and if you have any queries in regarding of jewelry production, that please write to us. Thank you. So hello guys, so this was the process of grinding of sterling silver jewelry, and okay, after this grinding it will go to the filing, and after filing that you will see the piece is completely finished. You can see here the completely grinded smooth surface everywhere that you can see. Now we will send this process for the initial polishing or pre-polishing that we say, and then we will go to the stone setting and then come back for the final polishing. Thank you.